I own a tech company. It's called Socia. You don't know it yet. But as soon as you see yourself up against the wall, especially in business, may kilala mo kami.
May papakilala mo si Socia sa kaibigan mo. Ano sasabihin mo?
Well, if I'm going to introduce Socia to my friends, I think isa lang naman sasabihin ko sa kanila eh.
For us, Socia is like your secret business weapon.
Si Socia lang naman ang fastest tech startup, tech company dito sa Pilipinas.
Na kapag may negosyo ka and may problema ka sa sales and operation, kami yung gagawa ng isang system solution para makatulong sa growth and scale ng negosyo mo.
Do they want more? And if the answer is yes, then kailangan mo si Socia.
Ano yung biggest dream mo for Socia at sa mga tao na maapektuhan nito?
The biggest dream for Socia is for business owners na masagad ko yung may mga malaking potential na negosyo kagaya ko.
Biggest dream. Siyempre, bilang isang tech startup company dito sa Pilipinas, nakikita naman natin kung paano yung galaw and nasan na yung estado ng Pilipinas pagdating sa tech. And alam nating nahuli tayo. So, isa sa pangarap, isa sa pinaka-main goal, maabot natin yung latest na nangyayari sa ibang bansa sa usapang technology.
My biggest dream for Socia, or our biggest dream for Socia, is actually not quite simple. Kasi, unang-una, our dream is to help a lot. When we say a lot of businesses, it means marami talaga eh. Helping tons of businesses here in the Philippines is not very easy. Mahirap. Pero, yun talaga yung goal namin for Socia. Dumating sa point na every businesses here in the Philippines is tinutulungan ni Socia. And that's the goal. Whatever it takes, that's the goal.
What kind of culture would you like to build among the team members?
Since we started Socia, even yung mga first team member na ino-onboard namin, lagi namin sinasabi sa kanila na ayaw naming ma-feel nila na employee sila dito kay Socia. And lagi namin pinaparamdam sa kanila na partner namin sila. Partner namin sila sa pag-scale ng Socia. And pinapa-feel namin sa kanila na they are important, na binavalue namin yung suggestions nila, yung ideas nila. And lagi namin ina-appreciate lahat ng mga bagay na tinutulong or binibigay nila with us.
What kind of culture ang gusto naming mag-build dito sa company? Well, unang-una, culture is one of the most important thing pagdating sa company. Kasi yun yung magdadrive sa atin eh. How we act, how we talk, how we do business, nasa culture lahat yan eh. What we want and what we are currently doing is we're making sure that sila, especially our not employees actually, andyan lang naman employees for the terminology, pero how we really feel about them is not really an employee because they are not working for us. They are working with us. And there's a difference between that.
Gusto namin culture dito sa Socia is lahat kami barkada and then partners.
Lahat ng tao dito sa Socia, puro batang malulupit at lahat dito proud. Socia is a group of 20-30-year-old kids who are maniacs, dreamers and doers. Gusto ko yung kultura na lahat kami honest. Lahat ng nandito direct at hindi takot na ma-challenge sa mga malalaking ideas. At sisiguraduhin namin na lahat ng nandito sa Socia ay may respeto sa isa't isa. Para lahat kami nag-grow. But mainly what I want is for Socia's culture to become a win at all cost mindset. Where we do whatever it takes to beat the competition no matter what. And I call it principled confrontation.
Bakit tech industry ang pinasok mo?
Bakit tech industry ang pinasok namin? Well, if you gonna really pay attention sa lahat ng industriya, you go to marketing, you go to any industry, for example, I think isa sa may pinakamalaking masosolve na problem na industry dito sa Pilipinas is yung tech eh. Tech talaga ang isa sa may pinakamalaking pwedeng masolve na problem. Because every company here, I think hindi nga lang company, every human being dito sa Pilipinas natin gumagamit ng tech eh. At hindi lang siya nandyan for something or nothing. Andyan siya kasi ginagamit natin siya everyday in our lives. I think if you wanna go far in life, the only answer is to solve as many problems that you can. So yun yung reason bakit nasa tech kami ngayon.
So una sa lahat, hindi lang basta-basta pinasok lang namin to. To give you a short background, this is my passion since I was 18 years old. And gusto ko lang ituloy kung ano man yung sinimulan ko before. But this time, syempre, mas bigger na. Mas malaki na yung pangarap. mas malaki na yung vision and kasama na yung mga tamang tao na nakasurround with Sosya. Nag-start ako sa tech and tatapusin ko sa tech.
Tech kasi dito walang limit. Lahat ng gusto kong mangyari, mangyayari.
Anong shift ang gusto niyo simulan sa mga businesses gamit si Sosya?
Gusto namin hindi lang ma-adapt ng mga businesses ang digital age, kundi sumabay.
Pag pinag-uusapang shift, syempre alam naman natin sobrang maraming negosyo dito sa Pilipinas. Ang still, kalat pa rin pagdating sa operation nila, kalat pa rin pagdating sa automation ng negosyo nila. So, if shift yung pinag-uusapan, we wanna shift the way kung paano nag-work yung mga negosyo dito sa Pilipinas.
I think the answer for that is very simple. Unang-una, tech company to. So, what we want is to help them to adapt. I think that's the only reason talaga. Unang-una bakit namin to ginawa or bakit namin to tinayo. Kasi gusto naming maka-adapt sila. Because whether we like it or not, naiiwan tayo eh. And kung tayo as a whole, makaka-adapt onti-onti, for me, it will create an impact na tutulong talaga sa bansa natin.
Ang shift na gusto kong simulan sa lahat ng negosyo dito sa Pilipinas, from luma to bago, from being late to having the latest.
Ano ang biggest promise ni Sosya sa mga clients at partners nito?
Ang promise is, we grow with you as a partner.
Number one, syempre, gusto namin na makasama kami sa growth ng negosyo niya. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, aside sa employees na tinitake namin as partner, same with our client. Lahat ng kliyente namin, tinitake namin niya as partner and lagi namin tinitignan yung long term na pwede namin pagsamahan. Even mapalaki or mapaliit na negosyo yan or project yan, client, tinitake namin yan as pantay-pantay lang kasi gusto namin, one of our main vision, syempre, makatulungan na makaangat or makapagpalaki ng isang negosyo dito sa Pilipinas. So, we value our client as a partner also.
Our biggest promise? Well, we don't really do that. Kasi promise, di naman talaga lahat ng tao tinutupad yung promises nila eh. Kami dito sa Sosya, let's make it black and white. We don't just make promises. We make sure na lahat ng sinabi namin for them, lahat ng pinag-usapan natin, gawin nating black and white. Ikontrata natin. So, kung ano yung nasa kontrata, ayun yung promise namin. And we will do whatever it takes para magawa namin yan.
Kung may legacy na iiwan si Sosya sa business world, ano yun?
One thing na gusto kong maiwan na legacy ng Sosya is even we're a startup na nanggaling dito sa Pilipinas, gusto kong makita na makasabay tayo or isa rin tayo sa maging standard na tech company sa buong mundo.
So, legacy, right? Number one, I'm the CMO. So, i-make sure ko na hindi makakalimutan tong kumpanya nito. And that's the legacy for me.
Isa lang yung legacy. It's time for you to go digital.
Legacy, kami ang makakasama ng lahat ng magiging pinakamalalaking negosyo at kumpanya dito sa Pilipinas.